There's a ton of water everywhere right now. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. What the f...
Yep, that's me. You might be wondering how I got myself in this situation. There's nothing I love more than getting my hands dirty. Well, beside my mom, of course. And a couple months ago, she trusted me with her kitchen renovation, knowing I had never renovated one before. How did it go, you ask? I'll let you be the judge of that. My mom knows that my biggest dream is to renovate houses. So she trusted me and gave me a budget of $10,000 to renovate her kitchen. I'm really excited, but also a little bit stressed and insecure because I have no experience and I know that a kitchen renovation can be a lot of work. For many people, $10,000 is not a lot of money. But my mom never spent that much for herself. She raised my sisters and I all on her own, and she's always thinking about others before herself. This is a really great opportunity for me to test my renovation skills, and I just want to make my mom proud, succeed this reno, plus I don't want to bust the budget. On day one, we went to Akilah to pick up all the boxes for the cabinet of the new kitchen, and I was already down $7,000. We are officially starting the demo. I need to demolish everything so I can start with a blank canvas. The next steps are to remove the cabinets and take off the vinyl floor. I also have to break down the wall behind the fridge to move it a few inches.
That I wouldn't change a single thing, 'cause it feels.
Are you ready?
Feels like
Yeah!
feels like family. And I know, no, 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 you know that crazy feeling.
I'm really excited to finally see this old kitchen go away from here. Let's do this. I think there were most probably mouses here. Come and see that. Maman, j'ai l'impression qu'il y avait une souris ici. Ça pue.
En dessous des tuiles, c'est grave?
Ça pue.
Attends, on va se faire aller chercher des grosses serviettes, là.
Yuck. Maman, ça pue. Oh. Woo! Yes!
We'll cut the blue or the red wire. Oh, here come the fire. Tick, tick, tick.
So everything's going really well. We decided to take off all of the isolation and replace it because it's really old, as you can see. It's really disgusting, and I don't think it's the best you can have in 2023. So we are going to do this, replace all of that this week.
And just like that, there's no going back. Now that the demolition is over, it's time to start on a new project. And this one is really stressful for me.
This is a little bit stressful.
Okay, so at first I didn't want to do the tiling at all. I wasn't confident enough to make my mom pay for all the tiles and risking to break all of them. All the stores that we visited told us that the 24 by 24 tiles were really intense to install. And I was really nervous. So I told my mom there was no chance I was doing that. But then we received a quote at $2,000 for the installation. And my mom told me,
This is not going to be perfect, but at least we can try it. So I've watched plenty of videos, and this is how people were doing their tiles. Okay, first one. This is nerve-wracking.
so I decided to give it a try, and I end up doing tiling day after day after day after day.
The tiling, 4 tiles, 7 tiles. The tiling. Install some tiles. So let's start with the tiling. Tiling, not my favorite part, to be honest, but I'm happy to gain experience because the last time I did tiling, it was crazy paving and wasn't the same technique and everything. So this is proper tiling. I'm glad to have the chance to just to learn. So it was too liquid. So I'm gonna put it back in the bucket and mix it again with new cement because otherwise I don't think it's gonna work. Oh yeah, it's way better. Way better.
It is hard to explain how excited I was when it was the time to start building new cabinets.
This is the time to install the first cabinet to the wall, guys. Oh my goodness.
Put yourself in my shoes. It's been years since I'm trying to convince my mom to renovate this kitchen, and I can finally see new cabinets coming in. Oh my goodness, that was the perfect moment.
My first rail is installed right there, and I'm going to start by installing the 24 inches and after that the 18 inches long cabinet. Ooh! Oh my god, this is going to be really nice.
And I'm not the only one who is excited.
Oh my god. Akilah.
I can finally see my vision coming together. This is really exciting. Cabinets are beautiful. The mechanisms are working well. No more old and disgusting kitchen. This is amazing. Simply amazing.
You know that I feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. Like I should. I feel brand spanking new. I don't know about you. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. Like I should. I feel brand spanking new. I don't know about you. I feel good.
When we first started the project, it wasn't the plan at all to have to do some drywall. We thought it was going to be smooth, that we were going to take off the old cabinets, repaint the wall, and reinstall some new ones. But it was not the case. When we demolished the old kitchen, the cabinets were installed with really long nails. And this leads to big holes into the drywall, and at this point it was impossible to save those. So we decided to demolish everything and just change all the chips. We are going to start with the first panel. I just cut it right here. Got it. And when we opened the wall, we also saw the old insulation. That was disgusting, smells bad, and the kitchen was so cold during the winter because of that really bad insulation. I can tell you that I was not expecting to do all of this when I first started the project. We are ready to install the insulation. So my mom decided to go avoid like mouse to enter into the house, and that's all we need. We also found this little electric beef cutter at my grandma's house, and we are going to cut the panel with this one. Perfect.
Times
C'est beau.
and places are all in who you share them with, and it's life. And the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spend it with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with.
C'est ça.
Joy is who you share it with.
This part of the project was one of the most annoying and unexpected part of the old kitchen makeover. We had to pierce a hole into the brick of the house. Why? Because when I was about to close all the wall in the kitchen, I opened the box of the new hood fan and I measured the hole that was already in the wall. And turns out it was 24 inches too low. We were really stressed to have to pierce a hole into the brick, redoing some new brick outside. It was all new. But we had the chance to have one of my mom friends that decided to come and help us with this big project. So one of my mom's friends just came to see the whole situation and is going to help us. I feel really more confident with him helping us because he renovated his house and stuff like that. So I'm really happy. After that, I'm gonna be able to close all the gyps and I can see the end.
T'as bien mesuré, là?
What?
Yes.
To be honest, I didn't do a lot in this project because he got the experience and I was feeling more safe letting him do it. My mom's friend is inside and he's getting ready to pierce and we are supposed to see something appears here. Oh, let's cross finger. Everything's gonna be all right. I can see it moving. But at the end, I learned a lot during the process and I'm really happy that we were able to close all the wall and make this fit perfectly. We are officially entering the last stage of the project and this is making me so happy. I'm about to close the last part of the gyps. I can finally see the end of this project and oh my god, I can't explain the feeling. It's crazy. That was a really great experience. It's not done yet for sure, but the countertop measurement appointment is in a week. So in 7 days, all the cabinets are going to be installed. The paint is gonna be over. The grout is going to be over. But for now, I'm really happy with what I can see. I can finally see my vision taking life and this is really, really, really exciting. This is going to be so beautiful. Again, I'm so happy to give that to my mom. This is, oh my God, this is making me so happy. So I'm gonna close this gyps and after that, I'm gonna be able to say that all the walls are closed.